Environment. The word environment is derived from the French word environ, which means surround. The theory of environment is very wide, which involves everything which affects living and non-living. Therefore, in simple words, we can say the environment as a surrounding. It involves everything of one's surroundings, i.e. abiotic and biotic environment. The term ecosystem was proposed by a British ecologist A. G. Tansley in the year 1953. The study of an ecosystem is called ecology. The ecosystem describes the basic structural unit of ecology, which includes both the organisms and the non-living environment. Each is vital for the maintenance of life. This approach makes you understand the functional aspects of our biological resources. An ecosystem is a community of living together with non-living components like soil, water, air, and sunlight. It means the entire interacting system of organisms together with the environmental factors with which they interact is called an ecosystem. Biotic ecosystem. An ecosystem consists of two main components. 1. Biotic, living, components. All living things are called biotic components of an ecosystem, such as plants, animals, microbes. The mode of nutrition divides them into the following three parts. Producers, autotrophs, the green plants which are capable of synthesizing food from the non-living simple inorganic compounds and convert sunlight into chemical energy. Consumers, heterotrophs, these are the heterotrophic organisms. They consume the producers directly or indirectly. They depend upon other organisms for food. They are of three types. Herbivores, animals that eat plants. For example, cattle, goat, sheep, deer, grasshopper. Carnivores, animals that eat animals. For example, lion, tiger, snake, frog, hawk. Omnivores, animals that feed on both plants as well as animals. For example, crow, cockroach, bear, and man. Decomposers, microbes, these are microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, etc. present in the soil and air. They feed upon dead plants and animals and break them into simpler compounds. They are released free in the atmosphere and are utilized by producers for the synthesis of their food materials. In this way, the fertility of the soil is increased and the cycle of exchange of matter goes on in an ecosystem. A small ecosystem is called a microecosystem. Pond. A very small ecosystem is called a nanoecosystem. Log of wood, aquarium. 2 abiotic, non-living, components. The abiotic components like soil, water, and air determines the types of organisms growing in the ecosystem. These components include inorganic substances, such as water, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, minerals, and other elements. Organic matter, such as proteins, carbohydrates, fats. All these are present in the living organisms and like the abiotic components with the biotic components. Climatic factors, these are of two types. Atmospheric, such as light, temperature, pressure, humidity, wind, rainfall, and edaphic, soil fertility. The types of organisms found in an area depend on the climate along with the nature of soil and water in that area.